Hello and welcome to another episode of Jimster586's Lock Shop. Today I have something a little different for you. Been doing a lot of lock videos lately since at the moment I've run out of elevators to do. So today we have a different one that just arrived. It's a U.S. mail registered padlock. Kind of an oldie. Well, it is an oldie. Kind of a weird one. There's the code number on the back. You can see here where the lock opens. There's the bottom where the key goes in. There's a relatively simple flat steel key here. Now it says something. Let me let the camera blow it up. Security, huh? Nice. So anyway, I don't think this is an original key, because this key doesn't look very old. This lock certainly is old, though. The most interesting thing about this, not only is it an antique U.S. mail lock, but as you can see here, it has a counter. Each time you open this lock, of course, this advances. So we're about to try all that out. So let's just insert the key here. This lock is a little tricky. It opens. See if I can do this without not knocking the camera over. This lock is temperamental. Like I said, I've only played with this a couple times. Open it up. There we go. Now, as you can see there, it just jumped to 971. I'm going to do this a few more times. This isn't going to be, of course, the only time I do it. At this point, you take the key out, or pull the key back, and the lock seals itself. Really kind of a neat lock. Try and focus. There we go. There we go. Jammed up for a minute there. Like I said, it's an oldie. And apparently, as you can see, the counter does work. Because I just clicked to 972. Turn the lock around. Now at this point, you have to pull the key out. At least to some degree, or it won't go all the way around. It's kind of hard to show you this one, unfortunately. Just because of the way this lock is set up. But if I hold it out a little bit more. And again, it's just a kind of a generic flat steel key. I don't believe this is the original key at all. You're gonna have to get the key just right to get it to work. Come on. Plus my hand's in the way. That's half the problem. Hard to show you this. There we go. 973. Oop, actually, I kind of half rolled past 973. Cut the light down a little bit. As they say, it's an oldie. It is temperamental. .74. Key needs to come out. Let's do it from a different angle. Let's do it from the front for you. I've been showing you the counter. So let's just open the lock from the front. Pull the key out. Well, actually, I'll put it back in just to move it around here. It's a neat lock. 977. $9.78. I'm just going around and around, as you can see. This is a neat one. It's probably one of the neatest locks that I have, and I've only had this in my possession for maybe 10-15 minutes. Courtesy of, yeah, the best part of it is, it came to me via the post office. Not that the post office itself gave me this lock, but you know what I mean, I got it in the mail. That's the best part of it. Back to the counter. $9.79. We'll run it to $9.80 and then we'll stop. There you go. $9.80. It's, like I said, it's really a neat padlock. Get it to there, it locks into place. As you can see, give you some close-up detailing of the lock here. Again, there's its code number on the back, L11998. Bottom of the lock, which has no markings on it. And to the sides, except for, of course, the counter. I'm assuming this isn't only $9.80. I'm assuming it's been around 10,000 plus times to zero it out. There's a registered U.S. mail. I don't quite know the purpose of this lock. Maybe some of you out there can help me with that one. I'd appreciate any input you can give me. But that's what we have for you. Oh, what the heck, we'll take it around one more time. $9.81. Give you a close-up of it closing here. It's all geared inside there, which is allowing it to shut. So this isn't locking with anything. It's all done down in here somewheres. You can hear it clicking. Again, that's what I've got for you. $9.81. I've played with this about 15 times now. I can see how many times I've turned it. I don't know if that's good or bad. For me, that is. There's your keyway. Registered U.S. mail. One flat steel key. Obviously not very sophisticated at all. But apparently it did the trick. Come on, camera. There we go. Security lock. Nothing on this side. Like I said, I don't believe this is original. Actually, it looks like this was cut. You can see where they deburred it. Right here. Why it's kind of rubbed off there. After you cut a key, then you run it through your deburring brush. Get all the sharp edges off. That's what this would be here. So that's what we have for you. I've taken up enough of your time, so hope you enjoyed it, and we'll catch you next time. So bye for now.